Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to add space between letters using CSS. So when we have some text on our web page, say for example this is a text right now in front of me. So similar text if I have on a web page and I want to increase the space between the letters. These are the letters. I want to increase the space between the letters. Then how I'm going to improve that increase that space. That is what we are going to learn today. So I will open the HTML document. This is a new HTML document. Firstly, I will write some text here. Say for example, today is a good day. I will write another text here. I will close the paragraph. So I have some text on my page. I will just open this page in browser. So this is our text. If I want to increase or maybe decrease the spacing between the letters, for that purpose we will use a CSS style. So currently I am using it for paragraph element. We will use a property, CSS property called as letter spacing, and I will specify here some pixels, for example 5 pixel. I will save HTML. I will run the same in the browser. I will refresh the page. So currently we can see that the letter spacing has been increased. It is not as it was before. It is now increased to 5 pixel. So this is how we increase the letter spacing, by using the CSS property called as letter spacing and giving it pixels. So we can either increase the space or we can also decrease the space. So if I want to decrease, I can just maybe use 1 pixel. I will refresh the page. It is now normal, that is 1 pixel. I can also do it reverse. For example, if I want something like -4 pixel, I will save. I will again refresh the page. So this is now very much congested. Be 1 pixel, -1 pixel. See, still it works. So either we can increase the space or we can decrease the space. So this is how we increase the add space between the letters. Currently we have used a p element, p style. So what if I want to use the same with the help of classes? So I will add a class here, give a class here, for example 1. I will use the dot sign because dot is used for classes. So I will give a class here 1. I will save. I will again refresh the page in the browser. Currently it is applied to only the first paragraph, not to the second, because of the use of classes. I have given the class to the first paragraph. Second paragraph is without any class. Similarly, we can use it with the help of ID also. So if I want to use it with ID, I will give here ID. Here I will replace dot with hash. I will do one thing. I will just give the ID with the second paragraph this time, and I have replaced the hash here instead of dot, because for IDs we use the hash. So I will save the document. I will refresh. Page is refreshed now. So style is applied to the second paragraph, not to the first right now. because we have given the id only to the second paragraph. So this is how we add spaces between the letters using CSS. Letter spacing is the property which provides us the feature to add spaces between the letters. So this is what we learned today, how to add space between letters with the help of CSS. Hope you understand the concept. Thanks for watching.